Hello everybody, welcome back to MBE. Today I want to show you a new cylinder head, a cylinder head package that we came out with. This is the CID LS-7 head, so it's an inline cylinder head. John at CID makes casting for it, but what's nice about this is actually a real race head. So this is a big upgrade from an LS7 head. The nice part, the rocker gear is better, the ports are better, you get more cross-sectional area out of them, and the flow coefficient is much, much better. So this is basically an LS7 on steroids that John created. And then when we get them, they don't have guide bores, seat bores, everything else. We do all that here, and we create all the ports, and we do all that. Has a 2250 intake valve in it, so a lot of valve area. You need a 4125 bore or larger to use this, but 2250. Okay, we got an inch 600 on the exhaust, so a lot of valve area and large throats on the exhaust. And then you can see this is all finished ported here. These are actually ready to be shipped. The intake flows over 430 CFM. So on a 600 flow bench, this is going to be over 440. And the exhaust flows over 280. And then we got the manifold for it here. So what's nice about this is that the manifold takes a little bit less work. The cylinder head takes a little bit less work. So everything on this makes it so it's a little more cost effective for people. Okay, but you still have something that can make 900 horsepower NA. Really should have no problem over 437 horsepower, or 430 cubic inches to make that. You should easily make over 900 with this. It does have enough cross-sectional area. One of the nice things in it, it is a real oval port. So it's an oval port throughout. Oops. There we go. Can you see that, Biggs? All right. So you can see how the air doesn't change shape. You can see that it has cross-sectional area, and it doesn't have huge taper rates, and it's not too narrow at the push rod. You look at a lot of the LS stuff, it gets narrow here at the push rod. This doesn't, so this will be designed for half-inch push rods. The rocker gear will have on it. And you can see it's a one-piece rocker. So everything's just nice and stout on this compared to a typical LS7, okay? You can see this one happens to be set up for endurance, so it has a little spring on it. But this little spring is for 800 lift, so this person will run over 800 net lift. So it's a badass little piece. Of course, the little locks that go with it. And then you can see we're making our own retainers now. So we can see the logo and stuff on there. With COVID, it got hard to get It was hard to get parts, so we got to move products. So we don't want to upset people. So this way, we just started making our own retainers. But this is the CID LS-7 over 430 CFM inline cylinder head. And what's nice about this package compared to the next level that we do, this is $4,000 less a package. You're looking at $3,700 to $4,000 less for the package. So it does make it affordable for a lot of people. And to get a race head for something like that, I think there's a lot of value in it. So that's the MBE LS7. Thank you for joining me.